Today we're doing a Halloween inspired avatar. Let's get right into it. So I already primed my face and today we are trying the Mehron's Fantasy FX. I'm literally just using my hands to apply this and it literally applies so well. I have never had a base go on this easy and like I'm not even trying to be dramatic when I say that. I love this. I'm literally gonna have to get this in every color. Every color. I'm gonna need every single freaking color. So, alright, I'm gonna put some setting powder on and like a lot. Like a lot. So now we're dipping into my Athena palette. I'm going to use the darker orange to kind of help with the contour and kind of build the base up. For some reason, my chest is just not holding makeup. I don't know why. I don't know what's going on. I have an issue with makeup holding right here and like down here. So we're working with what we have today. And now we're going to put on some black lines. So I'm just going to use my Annabelle eyeliner and we're going to go straight down the middle, and whatever you do to one side, make sure to do to the other side instantaneously. It makes it so much easier. Straight down the middle. Just about. It doesn't have to be perfect. Just remember that. So the lines are all done and I'm just going to basically fix them up, just make them a little bit thicker, a little bit more boom. All right, so now that the lines are fixed up a little bit, we are going to basically get the nose done. It's gonna go straight down, just like that, okay? Nerve-wracking work, I'll tell you that. And then we go out. Because the nose is gonna be black. Nose is done, but we're also going to do the lips black, so I might as well outline them with this anyways. Let's get this 2016 eyebrow on. I like to go hard at the arch here and really make a beautiful shape. We bring it down lightly, dip back in. What we're going to do is fluff underneath. We're going to bring that along the line to really outline the shape. We're going to bring it up here a little bit. And then we're going to fluff. As we come up closer to the front, we want to fluff it just like that so it looks more natural-ish. No, not natural-ish. I don't know. Fluffy. Fluffy. Then over here. Lovely. So for the eyeshadow, we're using the Sephora Color Shifter palette. We're going to go in with this darker brown here. We're going to bring it over this way and up, and we're going to really smoke out the eye. I want it really nice and dramatic, okay? Super dramatic. This is obviously a very dramatic, high glam look, so this is going to be high glam. And make sure to put it underneath. That way that eye pops. You want it popping. Next, I'm going in with my finger with this more of a yellowy color. We're going to put that right here and kind of bring it over and blend it slightly, just like that. Right there and right underneath. Lovely. Lovely. The next, what we're going to do is I'm taking this little brush right here. We're going on in the shimmer color. I'm going to put some directly here and bring it over. Oh, dipped into the wrong one. Back into the shimmer. Bring some over here. I want some right up in here as well. And we'll connect it right down into here. Lovely. Now, I'm going to take my finger. We're going to dip it into this beautiful shimmer here, okay? And we're focusing it mainly at the front. And bring it over just like that. Lovely. Lovely. Now the eyes are done. We just need a little bit of black eyeliner and some lashes for those. Now for avatar dots, I always used an Esmerix lift and some nail art pencils. See you in a minute. So the dots are all on. I'm going to put on the ears, do my hair, and show you the finished look. And this is the final outcome. What do you guys think? What color is next? I absolutely adore this. I absolutely love it. I'm going to be doing a bunch of transitions with this, so you need to go watch those too. So yeah, thank you for sticking this long. Bye.